Hi YouTube, Tom here today. Today I thought I would do a video on how to change what the start menu says on Windows XP, so you know the little start button. Now before I do this, I must mention this really is only for Windows XP users, because as you know, Windows Vista and 7 only have this little orb thing, so unfortunately this is for if you're on a XP machine. So here we go. Obviously I'm going to have to use my virtual machine for this because I don't have XP, so resume. God, that keeps popping up every time I make a video. Anyway, what you do is you download a program called ResHacker. Just simply search ResHacker on a site called download.com and you'll get it. So what you need to do is you need to open up ResHacker, Resource Hacker, then go to File, Open, go to C, Windows, scroll until you find Explorer and click Open. Now first of all you can actually change the little picture, you see the little Windows icon there. So what you would do for that is you go to bitmap and so you go to bitmap and 1033. Edit that in Paint. I'm not going to tell you how, because personally, if you just wreck it, you'll never be able to get it the same again. So this is really about changing what it says for the text. So as you can see, it says start, and it says there in the little rollover. Click here to begin. So what you do is you go to string table. No, that's not it. Oh, right, here we are. So click here to begin. What I'm going to do is, so that's the little rollover. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to click here to start. So after you make your necessary changes, just click compile script, go to 37, and here it says start. And what I'm going to do there is type in begin, compile script, and then I'm going to go to file, save as. I'm going to make a new folder called, I'm going to just call it modification. Going to go into that folder. I'm going to save it there as explorer.exe and save. So now that you've done the bit of editing it, I'm just going to check the time. Okay. Now you've done the bit of editing it, you're going to have to make some tweaks to your registry. So before you even do anything, make sure that you know what you're doing and that you're comfortable with doing this. So I'm just going to say run regedit. Now what you need to do is you need to go into key local machine software Microsoft Windows NT current version, and then just choose WinLogon. Then here we have shell. Now what you have to do here is put / and then put whatever folder name you put, because you'll have to make a new folder, otherwise Windows will be saying, oh my god, there's something wrong with this machine. You have to put in your disk and copy new files over, because it thinks that you will have done something to it then. So I'm going to put in modification / explorer.exe, because that's the directory we put in, and then I'm going to click OK. So now we just restart the computer and it'll say begin, and that'll say click here to start. because we now, because of that registry key, we've told the machine to read off of that file and not the original one. So reboot. Yeah. So I don't know. In Windows 7, you might be able to say where it says start, but there's no text on here. So for Windows, this is really only if you have Windows XP. Yeah, I like Windows XP because it actually boots up quite fast. Actually, some of these virtual machines I have on here, they actually run a little faster than my own machine, surprisingly. So, yeah. Yeah, so you XP users, if you want to have a go at this, give it a go. So here we are. So we're booting back up. And we just gotta wait for this. Now it should say. So there we are. We've done it quite successfully. It now says begin, and when I put my my cursor over it, it says click here to start. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye for now.